If you're getting this Windows ready, don't turn off your computer for ages. I mean, it's literally annoying that it's not getting past and it's showing only getting Windows ready, don't turn off your computer. If you're using a laptop or a desktop and getting this message in your computer screen, you can fix it in 2 minutes only. Now, the only thing you need to look at your keyboard. If you're using the laptop, then look at the laptop keyboard. Or if you're using a desktop, then look in the tower, the power button. Then just press and hold for 10 seconds. So in this manner, the computer will be turned off and there will be no problems. You can turn on the computer after next 1 minute. And once you turn it back on, hooray, you have successfully fixed. So I hope you have fixed this Windows getting ready prompt. And if yes, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.